Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. This was the most recent entry in the cell. As you can see, the cloud was red. Okay, and then you can get a sell entry. So this is entry will definitely will give you profit, and it's give you profit. Okay, just keep your eyes on the trend line. Either the trend lines are green, you have to go for the buy trade, and when the this trend master, it's called a trend master. Okay, it's a trend master indicator. These indicators are not available in trading view, so just watch the complete video and learn how you can get a exact entry by using this only two indicators. And if you are using this two indicators, then you will never get loss in any trade. Just follow my rules, and you will definitely will get awesome profit all the time. Okay, so let's start the video. Just a small request, please subscribe my channel, and any further query you can ask me. I will show you the contact details, as well as if you face any difficulty, you can ask me in WhatsApp, Telegram, or whatever you want to contact, you can contact me. Okay, so this is a trend master. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this one is the trend master. Here I use some band lines. Okay, you can see clearly each and everything here, each and everything. So this indicator gives you the trend identification. Either the trend in the bigger time frame is on the sell side or buy side. Okay, then it will give you the trend. Trend is downside. You can see that when the candles come below from the trend master indicator, you can see the market is going downside. Okay, now here you can guess, say market is going upside. Okay, now here you can see the market will go downside. You can see. Okay, from this point you can see the market will go upside. Okay, and you have to book your profit here, or you can book your profit at this point. Okay, from this point, in the yesterday I make a video and I told you that the Bitcoin is going to be down. Okay, and you can see the Bitcoin is going downside. Okay, from this point, our indicator give you the sell entry from this point. Okay, and the price was 63,650. Okay, and now the price is 63,000 and 62,350. Okay, it's around $1,000 movement, more than $1,000 movement. Okay, that is actually a very good movement. Okay, so the rules, make sure this trend master indicator, or you can say a trend master, it's a trend master. Okay, a trend master is above from the middle line, you can follow the sell signal. When the when this trend master come upside from the upper band, sorry, middle band line, so you do not need to go for the buy trade. Okay, make sure, just need to make sure, like here trend master is trying to come upside from the middle line, so you do not need to go for the buy trade. Okay, just make sure this trend master is upside from the middle line, you have to go for the sell trade, or you have to follow sell signal. When the trend master is below from the middle line, you have to follow buy signal. Okay, let me explain some strategy. You can see the trend master is upside from the middle line, and or you can say it's a saw very big distance from the middle line, so you have to follow sell signal, this one, and it's give you some awesome profit here. Okay, although these buy signals are also give you profit, but I will telling you that you have need to follow only exact signal. Okay, or you can say a very perfect signal. Okay, and I will show you the this indicator in the live demo. Let me show you some pairs where we got some entry. Maybe in the BTC no entry. Let's see, in the Ethereum no entry so far, and now this trend master is come on the middle line, so you do not need to follow sell signal. Okay, okay, this one you got the signal here. Okay, and you give some awesome profit, like here this was the awesome signal and perfect signal, you got profit here. Okay, although this trend master was green, you can follow the buy signal, but I will not recommend this one. I will recommend this one signal. Here you can see the buy signal and you got the profit here. Okay, like previous one, you got the buy signal here and you got some awesome profit at this point. Okay, let me show some other results here. Here you can see this one sell signal. Okay, let's remove the indicator and then we have need to add indicator, then you can see the perfect results. Okay, we have need to add indicators first. Just go to the these are my all scripts, let me show you. These are my all scripts. Okay, and you have need to use trend master. Where is trend master? This one trend master. You have need to open the file in a notepad, control A, control C, copy the code and go to your Pine editor. Here is a Pine editor option. Open the Pine editor and you have need to paste your code, control A, control V. Okay, and then you have need to click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, the indicator will be here. Okay, you can see there are some awesome results. Okay, these are very awesome. You will get consistent profit all the time. Okay, you can see these results are awesome. You can see these results are awesome all the time. Okay, okay, now I have need to change some setting here. Just go to the setting and we have need to change to 120. It will be good for you. Okay, or you can say it will give you the more confirmed signal. Okay, and then go to second indicator. Second indicator is where is TMA? This one simple over TMA. You have need to copy the code, control A, control C, and then go to your Pine editor again, and here you have need to control A, select all the code and control V, paste your code, and then you do not have need to click here. You have need to find option here add to chart. Okay, if you click on app update on chart, it will update your previous indicator. Okay, so do not click on update to chart, just click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, is compiling and it will be done. Okay, indicator is now good, but I have need to change some setting here. Like go to setting and put 48 here, 48 or 49, that's okay. Okay, now your indicator is now done and you are getting consistent profitable signals. Okay, rules are very simple. Just make sure the adopt trend line is upside from the middle line, then you have need to go for the sell signal. Make sure the adopt trend line is below from the middle line, you have need to follow buy signal. Just simple rules, and it will give you the consistent profit all the time. All the time you will get consistent profit. Like here you can follow buy signal and you are getting awesome profit. Market is going candles are going downside from the trend master, you can see the market is going downside. Okay, and so on. Okay, each and every time you will get consistent profit, each and every time. Okay, we are looking for the live signal. Let me show you a live signal here in any pair. Like let me show results in forex pair, and it work on all pair, forex pair, crypto, future trading, binary option, whatever you want, you can use it in any one. Okay, in any time frame, even any time frame. You can use it 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, whatever time frame you want to use, you can use it. Like here, you follow the sell signal, it will definitely give you some awesome profit here. Okay, like here you have to follow this buy signal and this one. Okay, and it will give you awesome profit. Like here you can follow this sell signal because the trend master is upside from the middle line, so you have need to follow sell signal and you are getting consistent profit all the time. Okay, like here trend line is upside from the middle line, you have to follow sell signal this one and you are getting consistent profit. Like here, like here. Okay, all the time you are getting consistent profit, and profit, you can say a profitable signals. Okay, let me show you. I was looking for the live demo. Hopefully we will get any signal here. Yes, you got the sell signal, but remember I told you this trend master should be above from the middle line, then you have to follow sell signal. Okay, and like here, this one is your wrong signal. You do not need to follow this sell signal. You have need to follow let me show you this one. Top trend line, trend master is below from the middle line, so you can follow this buy signal or this buy signal. Okay, let me show you some examples here in the USD this one you can follow this sell signal. Okay, USD okay, now it's coming outside, or you can follow this from this point or this point. This one is your you can go for the sell position from this point because the trend master is showing that I am going to down. Okay, AUD USD. Okay, this one is not your exact entry, but this one is your perfectly sell entry. Okay, and NZD USD. Okay, this one buy signal, this one sell signal, this one sell signal, or you can follow this sell signal as well. Okay, you can follow this sell signal because a trend master is now coming upside from the middle line, so you can follow this sell signal. Okay, and gold, in the gold. Okay, you can see this one, if you need, you can go for from to the sell position from this point. Unfortunately you did not get the sell signal, but this is much profitable signal. Okay, this one you can see you got the buy signal, you got consistent profit. Okay, and now this one you can follow sell signal and you getting awesome profit here. Okay, like let me show you this one buy signal. In the gold you are getting awesome profit, you are getting awesome profit all the time. Okay, I give you all the details, and any query, any question you can ask me. I will show you the my MT4 results as well. This MT4 is awesome and you will get consistent profit if you are using my MT4 system. Before that I have need to show you how you can get this my all scripts. If you need my script, you have need to contact me on my WhatsApp number. My indicators are paid, just in few dollars you will get my all script. Okay, just in few dollars, not hundreds of dollars, just in few dollars you can get my all scripts. Currently 950 plus people are using my script and never receive any complaints from any person. This is my WhatsApp number, this is my Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember write one at the end must. Okay, this one must at the end because there are some fake Telegram channels and there are some scammers, so do not join any fake Telegram channel. Okay, and stay away from the scammers, otherwise you will lose your money. This is Gmail, simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Okay, let's talk about the MT4. This is the very fair and you can say a very delicious MT4 system. And this is the trend line. Okay, this is the red one, that means market is going downside. And when it's blue one, you have need to follow buy signal. When but you can see there are lot of signal, a dotted one and the arrow one. Okay, the dotted one is for the binary option trading, and it's give you consistent profit. And for the arrow one, you can follow the buy signal. If the trend line is blue, you have need to follow buy signal. Okay, if the trend line is red, you have need to follow only sell signal. This one, okay, like this one, like this one. Okay, if the trend line is blue, you have to follow buy signal. Okay, you did not get the buy signal. Okay, you got the sell signal, you got the sell signal. All the sell signals are profitable. This one buy signal, you can follow buy signal, and you have to follow this buy signal. Okay, you will get zero fake signal in the whole strategy. In the whole strategy, you will find zero fake signal. You can see the buy signal, buy signal, buy signal. You have to follow buy signal only. Okay, I think I gave you all details. It's a very simple system. I do not have need to explain it much, because it's never repaint, it's never disappear signal. Each and everything is 100% non-repainted. And if you still you have any query, you can ask me or my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram, or you can also contact me on my Gmail, simplehoga@gmail.com. If you want to contact me on my Gmail, just like I told you, currently 950 plus people, 950 plus people are using my scripts. Okay, currently, and never receive any complaint from any person. So hopefully you will also like my indicator. And and that's it. I think I'll give you all details. And just a small request at the end, please subscribe my channel, and must like my video. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care.